my 7. I'm ripping in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm flossing in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm riding in my 7.
And tune in for another one. On the last episode, we said we was gonna make a video about the Terminator X and people making comments about it, but I did a live on it. Make sure y'all go check that out so that y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, what people were saying, etc., etc. What I'm about to do now, I'm just gonna get ready to back the truck out. We got that other center cap in for the front. So I need to pull the truck out so that I can put the one on the other side, and then I also need to. Well, I'm gonna pull the truck out that way I can have some more room. Put that center cap on. I don't know if I'm gonna tinker with this dash or probably finna get ready to prep these panels so they can be painted black so we can finish the truck. There's just so much to do, so little time. I only got one day off, so I'm trying to find something short and productive that I can get complete. I need to feel a sense of completion. So let's get little baby crunk up, and we'll get her backed out. Find the correct keys here. So what I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna get this HP tuner hooked up to it. We're gonna look at the data just for the idle, and then eventually we're gonna get that dialed in. Like I said, we pulled it out mainly to put our new cap on there. I was saying basically take it from ashy to classy. Look at that thing when the light hit it though. Warm, so the truck is warming up. Went ahead and got that other cap on there, man. She looking good, y'all. New truck, who this? This is like probably the first time where the light just done hit that bitch and y'all can see that ooh-wee on that thing. You know what I'm saying? Meanwhile, back in the garage, it didn't look like, I'm not exactly sure. It doesn't look like anything is leaking. So from that last video when we fixed the little thing, whatever it's called, I don't know the name of it. Look like we probably fixed it. I think that's just like water dripping off or something. And there definitely ain't no oil or no transmission fluid, so we should be good there. Well, gonna get HP tuners dialed in. Matter of fact, I forgot that this is a computer that we use or bought to use with, you know, what's the name? With the Bluetooth. So we're gonna plug this in. That way the car can be out here idling in the sun, and I can be in the garage under the fan. Life sometimes not fair. Sometimes saying that it's pretty much having to add like 7 points of fuel, and that's just at idle. So I'm pretty sure if I was to drive it and log it the same way I did the Caprice, I'll probably run into some issues there. I think it's quite a few variables and everything like that, but see, like now it's at 6, and like I said, I mean, it's doing it with the O2 sensors is not the most accurate way to do it. As far as a wide open throttle from a GoPro Garage was telling us is that you can use you can pretty much use the narrow bands for partial throttle and idle, but when you get too wide open, you definitely want to use a wide band, or you could mess something up. So, but yeah, so far, I mean, it's adding 6, and he said you want to be like as close to 0 as possible. 1s and 2s is good, but yeah, this ain't good at all. So I'm gonna take it around the block, populate some data, and then we'll come back. So now we are live from 8 Ball. It's almost like it's starving for fuel. Not exactly sure. We're just gonna take it around the block right quick, see what populates. Sure is a beautiful day out today. I'm not liking what I am seeing at all. Yeah. So I came back home to get the cable so that I can do some real-time tuning to it. This video just went from fucking 2 to 10. So I wasn't really planning on fooling with the truck today, but I mean, if it's running like that, then yeah, we got an issue. We got an issue, people. So let me thin it out, and then I'll touch it back on. So there's a couple ways you can do this. You take the data from the scanner, you add it in. Yeah, so you basically take this data from the scanner, you copy it, you paste it, you multiply it by half. Don't ask me because the tuner guy, GoPro Garage is the one that gave me the info. I'm not trying to reciprocate it, just passing it on. So we got some problems. This should run like crazy different after I'm done, though. My first change. Let's see if it runs any better. It'll probably take a couple times before we can get it right. So I brought it home. We put the tune on there for the Caprice, pretty much the base fuel map, not nothing else, just to see if it'll run a little better. The mass airflow sensor is working. One way to test it is pull it off, and my shit was already loose, right? So being that this meter in the air that's coming through here, and then it ain't got no air, then yeah, that part. So it's doing what it's supposed to do in hindsight. I was a little worried or confused. I got a gotta go on and permanently put them down dope panels on there to keep catching on the rubber seal. Alright, let's see, resets. Stop logging and then start logging, and we'll take it on another spin and we'll see what we get. Alright, so we made it back home. We got stranded. We got stranded for a little minute. It was only because his mass airflow sensor fell off. Like I was just demonstrating to y'all, if it come off then it'll die, and that's exactly what it did. So I'm gonna slide the band back, get that tightened on there the way it need to be. And like I said, in the end, I don't know if I'm gonna end up running speed density or the math. Honestly, I think speed density is easier, but I think that's more so just because I'm familiar with it, because I got the Chevy dialed in. So we're gonna give it a shot and we're gonna see what happens right here. But yeah, overall, yeah, she moving though. With me just taking the numbers from there, yeah, she pulling, she moving. The power is definitely there. Just gotta get it dialed in all the way for this application with, you know, the mass airflow sensor and all that. So like I said, it'll give me a added skill to the catalog, repertoire, whatever you want to call it. That way I can do both, you know what I'm saying? So we did speed density over there, we did math here, and then when we get ready to fool with the cutlass and get it all the way dialed in, then, you know, we'll be, like I said, I'm gonna have a bag of tricks, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can go pay that $9.99. Y'all can go pay that $9.99 if you want to. You know what I'm saying? And go get the Dominator or Terminator or whatever that bitch is. Y'all can go get that. But me, I'm gonna learn this shit, add a skill to the bag, and then when your Terminator ain't tuning your shit the way that you want it to, you can come see me.